Modicia O.S, the Linux distribution that redefines digital creativity. Modicia O.S is not just another Linux distribution. It is a complete creative workstation designed to deliver extreme performance, absolute stability, and a full set of professional tools ready to use from the very first boot. From international tech media to professional creators, more and more voices recognize it as one of the best solutions for serious multimedia work. According to ZDNet, Modicia O.S is a brilliant Linux distribution for creators, capable of providing everything needed to produce audio, video, graphics, and professional content without installing or configuring anything. Journalist Jack Wallen highlights how the system already includes all essential applications, and how, with the right GPU, it can even run Hollywood-grade software like DaVinci Resolve. Key strengths highlighted by ZDNet: a complete suite of integrated audio-video software, Debian stability enhanced with targeted optimizations, a smooth and responsive experience, ideal for video timelines, audio sessions, and heavy graphics work, perfect for content creators, from writers to video makers. A unique technical core in the Linux world. The official Modicia O.S website clearly explains what sets this distribution apart. Modicia O.S uses a low-latency, real-time kernel with deterministic scheduling policies, deep system optimizations, and CPU-specific compilation tailored to the user's hardware. This means extreme fluidity in audio, video, and 3D. No bottlenecks during heavy operations. Higher performance compared to general-purpose distributions. Immediate responsiveness, even under intense workloads. Modicia O.S is not just stable, it is engineered to be fast, responsive, and truly professional. An elegant, productive, and ready-to-use environment based on Debian Stable and the Cinnamon desktop environment, Modicia O.S offers an elegant, modern, and intuitive interface, perfect for both professionals and less experienced users. User experience highlights: a clean and distraction-free workspace, intuitive navigation with sidebar and integrated search, carefully selected software ready for production, enhanced compatibility with modern hardware, GPUs, Wi-Fi, and IOMMU. A 27-year history. Modicia O.S is not an improvised project. It has been active since 1998, with over 27 years of continuous development. This maturity is reflected in its attention to detail, stability, and overall quality. The Caravaggio release, a technological leap. The latest release, Caravaggio 6.12.57 RT LTS, introduces major improvements: extreme real-time performance for audio, video, and scientific computing, an LTS kernel for years of updates and security, native support for new architectures and peripherals, a release designed to last and to deliver maximum performance, the ultimate choice for creatives and professionals. Modicia O.S is a distribution that makes no compromises: workstation-level performance, a complete set of tools, an elegant and productive environment, and technical optimizations unmatched by any other distro. Whether you are a musician, a video maker, a graphic designer, or a content creator, Modicia O.S allows you to work at your full potential from the very first moment. If you're looking for a Linux distribution that is more than just an operating system, but a true creative instrument, Modicia O.S is the answer.